What's up, you guys? It's Matt here. So I made an investment earlier today, like way earlier today. When you're watching this video, it's going to be like maybe 8 o'clock or something. I don't really know when I'm going to post it, but it's going to be later in the day. When I'm recording it, I made this investment like an hour ago. But for you guys, it happened so long ago, right? So I made an investment in a position, and I don't know if you guys are going to see what it is in the thumbnail or title because I don't know what's going to happen with the thumbnail or title right now. But that investment that I made was Kryll coin. Kryll coin is a great investment that I saw in the past and has risen to different levels. And I have always said that I wanted a certain amount of this position. I'm looking for certain gains throughout it. You know, take profit taking strategies, all of that stuff. I'm looking for that. So anyways, we're going to get into this. We're going to get into what is Kryll coin, and we're going to get into how much I ended up buying, how much I hold, and what is my plan, what is my strategy. So guys, I don't really have it fully written down, which I will build like a spreadsheet for the strategy. And maybe I'll build a template for other people to also build their own strategy for. But anyways, guys, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell for more videos like this one. Also, make sure you guys check out some of the links down below. It does help out the channel. And if you guys want to follow me on Patreon, follow me on Twitter, definitely do that. Links are in the description. So let's talk about Kryll coin. I invested into this a while ago, right? I bought in with 5,000, not $5,000 right from the start, but I bought in 5,000, and made a little bit of money off of it, sold some, but then bought back in and spent $5,000 on it. Right now, I'm down. I made about $1,000 off of that initial sell, but I ended up buying more. So now I'm down a little bit because the markets have come down from when I originally bought in. So I'm down about $2,000, I would say right now, a little, maybe even closer to 3,000 because of the money that I just invested. So $3,000 right now after being up 1,000. So technically, if I'm looking at it, I'm down $2,000. So I was right. So with this position, obviously with things running, that's what I'm looking for this to take off with, because it's offered on some really big platforms, and all we need to see is some positivity flow through it, which is a bull run that flows through it. Now I'm going to talk about what it is. I'm going to talk about how much I have and what is my plan for this going forward. So let's go ahead and get into this. So Kryll coin, currently it's at 36 cents, right? It's at a low price. When I originally invested, it was at like $1. Made money off of it, and then it started to obviously come back down. And again, I'm down about $2,000. I can't really go through all of the different detail there because it's back and forth, all that stuff. So, anyways, where we stand with Kryll coin, or Kryll token, it's at 36 cents. You're seeing this with volume that's very low of about $181,000. This is something that obviously I'm not really strong on. I don't like when you look at volume and you see it that low. I would love to see it in the millions, but where it is in the hundreds of thousands, it's not really something that screams, this is the most popular thing in the world. So make sure you guys, do your own research here, because you don't invest in things just because I invest into it, right? If I'm investing into something, it's because I know or I feel like that money is already gone. And what I'm going to do is try and gain more money as time goes on. Build something up, right? Build something short-term and long-term within within my strategy. Your strategy can be completely different than what mine is. It can have some sort of feature to it or some sort of similarities, I guess. But it doesn't have to be the exact same. The thing that caught my eye with this position was the circulating supply. I didn't mean to rhyme there, but I did there. So you're going to have to deal with it. Every time I hear it, I always say it. 38.4 million coins in supply. And that's 78% of the total supply. The total supply is 49, or let's just say 50 million coins, which is very low. If you get to a $50 million market cap, that is $1. If you get to a $38 million market cap here, that is $1 where it's at right now. So does it have potential further? I think it does. Getting launched on other platforms definitely shows that. Now let's look at the platforms that it is launched on, and then we'll get into what it is. So Right now, it's launched on KuCoin, Gate.io, even on Coinbase, Crypto.com, which was more recent on Crypto.com. And then you have these other exchanges as well. Now, you're not seeing a crazy amount of volume that flow through anything. Most volume flows through KuCoin, but it is on Crypto.com, and you saw a lot of volume through Crypto.com. So I want to show you that as we look at the price. So let's go back to the overview and go back to, let's say, a year. If we look at it over a year, it's been to $4.50 or a little bit above that. And we can actually check what the highest point is. So 1 year, $4.76. And you can see how it created lower highs and lower lows, and getting to a situation where once it hit that high point, it started to fall down, pretty hard. So again, within that last year, what am I looking at? Am I looking at the price? That's $1.50. Why? Oh, I zoomed in. Okay. So yeah, you can see how that has fallen, creating lower highs, lower lows, all of that actually level here and consolidating where we are. But currently it's at 36 cents. Now, why am I investing into this? Is it because of the circulating supply? Is that the only reason? That's the main reason. I would say that that's definitely the main reason, and the potential. The potential is kind of unknown. It's not saying that I would invest my life savings into it. I have invested a pretty decent amount compared to other investments I have made, but I see this as something that has growth potential. You've seen it launch on other platforms, and it's going to continue to launch on more and more platforms here. And I can't wait to see what happens with it, because it already has had growth in the past. We've seen this go from 80 cents to $1.80. We've seen this go from 80 cents to $4. We've seen this go from $1 or $1.20 all the way up to $2 and something cents. So we've seen this run. We've seen this make moves, and I'm waiting for those moves for quicker gains. But longer term, I'm looking for that massive output, so I don't have to put any more towards it. I would like to hold 5,000 in the end, but I wanted to hold 10,000 from the beginning. So if we look at Kryll.io, right? So it has $4 billion traded. It has 200 plus trading bots, 100K users. Basically, you're entering the new era of trading, the most powerful strategy marketplace and crypto bot builder. Let's go into this 1 minute video on what Kryll is, and then we can just talk about how much I have, and then we'll end the video. So let's get into this right here.
This is Kryll. The new era of trading is here. With Kryll, you can easily connect the biggest exchanges in crypto to one place and safely trade from the Kryll platform. No need to log into multiple accounts to make your trades. Kryll brings efficiency to your portfolio management. Kryll's state-of-the-art strategy editor lets you automate your trading with no coding experience needed. Use our drag and drop blocks to build your trading bot. Backtest your strategy and let your bot trade it live on your favorite exchange. Don't have a trading strategy? Well, you can rent some of the best performing trading bots in the world by renting one on the Kryll marketplace. Search and find the strategies that suit you and your risk profile. Simply click and let it run on your chosen pairs or portfolio. Use our smart trading terminal and trade like a pro. Set multiple take profits and stop losses with ease. Enter the new era of trading with Kryll and automate and optimize your crypto portfolio today.
So yeah, obviously that's good. A lot of people have positive things to say about trading bots, and to be able to just, capture profit and learn some things here and there with Kryll, I feel like it's going to be good for you to learn how to do that yourself without having to use a trading bot then. But using it to begin with, you may end up developing some strategies by doing that. So it's definitely an interesting thing. But again, this is all about the investment. Now, how much am I holding? I'm holding an even 10,000 coins. Now, I tried to get it as even as possible. You can see I have 0.000000002 Kryll that's still sitting in there. I tried to get it as even as possible. So I bought like 1,600, like 40 something in order to get to that point. But the things I want to look at here is you're seeing 80% buy. You're looking at 5 days of typical hold time. We want to see that go up, the popularity go up, all of that stuff. So ultimately, I think it's a good play. The reason why I think it's a good play is because of the unknown potential, the untapped potential within this. If it's available on Coinbase, it's available on crypto.com, it's available on KuCoin. I think it could be available on so many other platforms, and it could be a lot bigger than you think. Anyways, guys, I got to get out of here. Make sure you hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, and I will catch you guys in the next video.